Hello everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw Raider's Revenge. Alright, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch for myself, and then I'll switch over to Sharpie and you'll be able to see much better. But this is mostly for me, so don't worry if you can't see it. Like I said, just to make sure that I get everything in here and I put it in the right spot too, because that's another part, is I got to make sure I don't forget anything, or I have enough room for everything, you know, because I don't want to fall off the page, and I do want to put everything in here, you know, have a little fun with it. Alright, so let's see, got to do like this, and over, and like that for a hatchet. Okay, and let's see, this is a fireman's hatchet, so it's going to have that little point on the back. Alright, and this is going to come down just a hair, but you really probably can't see it, so I don't know why I'm really trying that, but that's okay. I'm going to do it anyway. That's what I want to do. This is my drawing. This is how I draw. You draw how you draw. We'll meet somewhere in between. Okay, I think that's good for the axe part. And now I just got to put some barbed wire around the whole thing, and I got to draw that first because that's over everything, you know. And I got to figure out how to do that and still make it look good, because this barbed wire has a certain look to it, and if not, see, now, right now it looks like bows, you know, it's like that looks nothing like barbed wire, but I'm gonna keep going and see what I can do. Let's see, you can see a couple more like this. All right. Oh, the bolt. Jeez, I almost forgot the bolt. There's a big bolt on top that's holding it all together, right? Okay, let's see, there's another one across like that, another one like that, and then where that goes across like that. Okay, so now I just got to add a few more little barbs, I guess that's the best way to say it, and then I can get started. Okay. All right. Oh God, the big ones. Let's see. Like that. Another one here. Like that. And then I'll do one last one like this. All right. I think it looks like flies. I think I've got enough done there where I can get started. But what I have to do is draw like I said, I got to draw the barbs first. So let's see if I can do this and make it look good, right? So I'm kind of just playing around with the feel for it. I'm using my sketch to determine how it's going to go. Okay, so I'm going to draw this line over like that, and I'm using my thinner Sharpie just because I can control it better, and it will stand out in the end with the thicker Sharpie, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. So let's see if I can do something like this, like that. Okay. Didn't like the way I did that, but you know what? What's done is done. We're going to keep going. Okay, so I'm going to draw down to this one. And let's see, I'm going to draw the barb like that. And I don't really have a set way I'm doing it. I'm just kind of like drawing what feels right, you know? Drawing like a barb in there. And like I said, you know, it looks like flies or pasta or something, you know, not quite exact, but it's getting the point across, you know. That's all any good drawing can do, is make you think, make you look, and make you react. You know, even if you think something is bad, that's the idea of a drawing. It's or art. It's making you think. It's making you feel a certain way. You know. Sometimes, you know, you don't have to be mean about stuff and say, "Oh, that's terrible. I could do better than that," or you know, something like that. But you know what? What's funny is even those thoughts are still getting a reaction out of you. You know, and that's what good art does. It causes a reaction, whether it's good, whether it's bad, whether it's negative or positive. It's still getting a reaction out of you, and that's serving its purpose, you know? Art is a selfish thing, and you just gotta hope that someone connects with it, and even if they don't, you know, it's up to you, the creators, the makers, to get people to think and react, you know? Okay. So that's all I'm going to do for now, is just these for a little bit. Just trying to recreate Barb. And see, it's not bad. It's doing the job. You know, it's coming across. If someone were to look at it, they'd say, oh, that's barbed wire all over that thing. Now, really, what they should be questioning is what this is in the first place, not whether you accurately recreated barbed wire, you know? It should be more of like, but why is a pickaxe on the axe, you know? But that's how people are, you know? Sometimes they'll look at the wrong thing and focus on the wrong part, you know? But that's okay. Again, you got a reaction. And that's all you can stand. That's all you can ask for, you know? Okay, so let's do a couple more. We're almost done here. I'm going to start on this bottom one just to give me a guide of where I'm going to go. This is going to flow up to this. Then again, I'm going to draw these around like that. And then this line's going to disappear back behind, and so that means this one's going to come up. So you see how it goes? It flows like that, like this. That's kind of the whole idea. So now I think that's done, and let's move on to the big parts. So now I'm going to switch over to the big Sharpie. I'm just going to follow these lines and do that. So my point is going to be here. Let's see, that is coming over, so I just got to kind of remember too what's going to be where. So I'm just going to pick it up where it crosses. Pick it up where it crosses, follow it across to that point. I'm going to go back to the other side on top of it and follow it over here. It's going to cut through there, and see, that's why I wanted to do that, so it'll flow through. So this one's going to come down to there. All right, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to follow it across, pick it up where it crosses, or where it goes underneath, I guess is what I should be saying. Pick it up where it goes underneath, and then follow it down to that point, like that. All right, not bad, not bad. I like that. I like that. Let's keep going. So let's see. This point's going to come from back here down to this. It's going to go across, kind of straight, kind of arc up over, like that, and then the arc of the blade right here, like that. And even though you don't see it, I'm going to do it like that because I know how an axe is and how it's got the arcs on each side. So I still wanted to go ahead and do that. Okay, so let's draw this bolt like this. There's one edge because it's a nut, you know. So this one I'm going to do like this because it's got creases, or it's got threads. Well, I couldn't think of the word. Like that. And that's how it's bolted on. Okay? Alright, so now let's finish this up. I'm gonna draw the axe handle down in like this, that like this, and then this part's got like wrapping over it, so I kind of wanted to draw that edge, and then we can wrap, rapidy, wrap. Well, you saw it here, heard it here. That was the extent of my wrap career. Now it's over. You're welcome. Let's see. It's kind of curve to it, like this. Then it's got 3 bolts that I will go ahead and add real quick, like this. So I'm just gonna kind of eyeball some bolts, you know, draw the 6 sides to it. Nothing special, just like that, you know? Okay, so I will take care of coloring with the rest. So for now, that is Raider's Revenge. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.